Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friends, introducing my name is Nurfiana Kumalasari Zaratunisa and I am 51 from the Educational Management class 2020. I will explain a little about the implementation of education management in school institution. Education is an investment in human resource in long term. Education has a strategic value for the survival of human civilization in the world, because education is a foundation for humans from birth to the end of life. Therefore, almost all countries place that education variable as important and meant in the context of nation and state development. Similarly, Indonesia places education as something important and mine. This can be seen from the content of the preamble of the 1945 Constitution, paragraph 4, which emphasizes that one of the national goals of the Indonesian national is the intellectual life of the nation. Professor Lutz said that life is education and education is life. The statement, when understood textually, is life is education and education is life. Between life and education cannot be distinguished. The two understandings are united in a philosophical framework. The process carried out in education is nothing but a process for human in living life. Law number 20 of 2003 concerning the national education system. Education is a conscious and planned effort to create a learning atmosphere and learning process so that students actively develop their potential to have religious, spiritual strength, self-control, personality, intelligence, noble character, skill, society, nation, and state. The principal is the leader of educational institution in the school. If the notion of leadership is applied in educational organization, then educational leadership can be interpreted as an attempt to move people in education organization to achieve the educational goals that have been set. This is in accordance with the opinion of Nawawi in 1985, who argues that educational leadership is a process of influencing, moving, motivating, and directing people in education organization to achieve educational goals. Education management is a set of planning, organizing, moving, and monitoring activities carried out to achieve organizational goals by empowering human resource and other resource. Every organization, including school, is an organism. Therefore, it has elements of life such as the existence of a spirit in the form of leadership, the existence of a soul in the form of management activities, of physical or physical existence in the form of an organizational chart, which is expressed in the form of administrative activities and behavior that is manifest in organizational culture. The success of the leadership of the principal or the head of an institution can be seen from the success of the organization or institution he leads. Achievement of success that can be seen from management, namely as applied by school principal and teach in guiding students to achieve non-academic achievement target in education institution. Maybe that's all I can say. If there is a lack, I apologize. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.